What's up, guys? It's Lando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week, I want to talk about, is it better to settle or pay your collection in full? All right, guys, time to pay a collection account. You've heard that settling is not as good as paying it in full. That the company reporting it settled for less is going to hurt your credit report. That is a bunch of crap. If you're bleeding, does it really matter how you stop the bleeding? No. The thing is, you want to stop the bleeding whether you stop it with a piece of onion or you put a band-aid. Same goes for collection accounts. That account is in collections. That company bought it for pennies on the dollar. Why would you pay for it in full? Only if maybe they're going to delete it if you pay for it. But you never want to pay for collection account in full. You always want to settle it. And that verbiage, settle for less, has no effect on the credit report. The point is, you're bringing that collection account from a balance negative to zero. Doesn't matter how it happens. But if you can get away with paying less, more money in your pocket, better FICO score, then better for you. But my recommendation is don't pay in full, settle for less. Talk to you guys soon.